Today I'm going to show you how you can stake ICP and generate 14% APY in only 4 minutes. So let's get started. The first step is to go to the network nervous system, which is one of the biggest DAOs in the whole crypto industry, and it governs the Internet Computer Protocol. Staking rewards are given to users who vote on proposals to update the Internet Computer Protocol. So let's go to the NNS at nns.ic0.app. And there, we're going to create our internet identity. So let's click on sign in with internet identity and let's create our internet identity. I'm an iOS user, so it says to save a passkey, you need to enable iCloud keychain. So if you haven't enabled iCloud keychain yet, just click on continue and enable it. Or otherwise, you can choose other options, like saving the passkey on a mobile device like your iPhone or Android device, or on an external security key. I will select my phone, so let's select iPhone here, or Android device in case you have an Android, and then continue. And then you need to scan this QR code. Let me do it real quick. Then your phone will ask you to create a passkey. So click on continue. Enter your phone PIN, and here on the screen you can see your internet identity. This is not a secret number, but it's a unique number associated to you, and you don't have to lose it. If you lose this number, you will lose all the accounts you created with it. So after you save this number, just click on I saved it, continue. And you can see that we entered the NNS app. And here is where we're going to stake our ICP. So in order to stake some, we first have to send some ICP to this account. So let's do it by clicking on Internet Computer and let's click on Receive. Let's copy this address and let's paste it on our wallet or our exchange to send some ICP to this account. So after you send some ICP, just click on Neuron Staking and then Stake ICP. Let's select the source, which is main, and then let's select the amount, which will be max, and then we just need to click on Create. And here we get our Neuron ID, the balance, and we need to set the dissolve delay. So let's set our dissolve delay here. Let's set it on max, which is 2,922 days or 8 years, and this way we can get the maximum APY, which is currently 14%. So let's set the delay by clicking on set delay, and let's click on confirm and set delay. As I previously said, staking rewards are given to people who vote on proposals to update the internet computer. And you don't have to manually vote on every single proposal. You can just follow other neurons, and this way you will automate your voting. So for example, let's select governance. Let's click on add following, and let's for example follow Definity. Let's also follow ICP app, and let's follow another one. For example, ICP Hub Bulgaria. And I suggest you do the same for every single topic, so you're sure you'll vote on every single proposal and you'll get max rewards. And every day after you vote on proposals, you will find some maturity depending on the amount of ICP you're staking. So if we go to Neuron Staking again, we search for maturity here, and you can see that if you voted on some proposals, you will find some maturity here, so some ICP balance basically. And if you click on spawn neuron, in 7 days your ICP will be released. You can either spawn the neuron or you can merge it on top of your neuron to increase its size. One important thing you need to remember is that you need to start dissolving the neuron, because if you don't do that, in 8 years you won't get your ICP back. So let's go and do that. Let's go here again, Neuron Staking, and then click on Start Dissolving. Let's confirm. And as you can see, we're all set. So guys, I hope this was useful. And if you liked this content, then like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next episode.